Hey guys, if you are going for the driving test, you must be aware of this kind of confusing traffic light. So I will be showing you most of the people, they fail on this kind of confusing lights. And this type of traffic lights is mostly on the medium busy road, because if it is a low busy road, you will be not having a right green arrow light. So this is a medium busy road. I will be showing you what is the confusion. So it is a all red light. It means you can't go straight and you can't turn right. So next stage I will be telling you what will be the difference. So I will be showing you where is the confusion. So it is a green light, there is a no right green. As you can see, this vehicle is waiting and giving way. So this is the point where people do the mistake. So you have, this car has to give way to the any vehicle coming from the front if he is to turn right. So he has to wait. So now it is a right green arrow, as you can see. So now you can turn right. So this is the biggest difference, and 90% of the people fail in this test on this kind of confusing light. So I hope guys you are clear on this kind of traffic light now and avoid this mistake and pass the driving test in one go. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.